Oh, shit, my key. Well, one bar below half a tank. It's just cost me fucking 18 quid.
Like a motherfucker stuck in your picture, middle finger out the window, getting fucked off. Liquor, get loaded, can't control it, nigga. Pass me the blood, let me run.
Oh, it's half a tank, that was 18 quid. Not a fucking chance. Not a chance. It was super, but still, fucking hell. I used to fill my bike up on 16. Robbing bastards. Right, let's get down to Daddy's now. Our broths. See Daddy, it's Father's Day. Got my card and some Maltesers. Another thing I've noticed, and all just a guy just rolled past our house when I was coming back from shop on a scooter, helmet on, put a cap on as well underneath inside his helmet. How the fuck do you even get your head in with a cap on? You know what I mean? The peak was just poking through the front of his helmet, the knobhead. I'm going to have to get my cap out of the wardrobe and try that after, because I don't even know how he managed that. To feed his head. I bet he looks there knob try and get his fucking helmet on with keeping his cap on. You wouldn't even bother, would you? It must be uncomfy. But the little ball on top of his head's digging in and everything. Some strange people around. So I've got him a box of Maltesers for today and a pair of jeans that I've ordered him. But yeah, birthday wise I haven't got a clue. These are having it down here, I tell you. They're having it. What is going on? I bet they're all going church, aren't they? All going church. About there, racing against bad weather. That's there. Yeah, what'd you get, the man that's got everything? I haven't got a clue. I'm shit at choosing presents. Same for me mum. What'd you get her? All to think of for my mum is gold. Looking, but she'll end up looking like Mr. T. I hope spots of rain there. I'm not happy with that. Let's get there. We're going to have to up the pace a little bit, I think. I don't want to be drenched by the time I get there. I don't mind on the way back. Strip off, get this glistening body out, get it dry, but not on the way there. Unless my mum drives me, that'll be nice. You know you're already beaten, don't you? You fuckers in front, don't you? You know I'm coming for you. Nice smell of cut grass though, which is change for around here. Normally it's the smell of shite. Yeah, anybody that thinks I ride fast, I don't ride fast. Only down these roads. These are roads from my house to my mum's. I know off by heart. They're the ones I ride faster on, but yeah, any other ride we go on roads and that, I'm shit slow. Just chill. I've got to work out something to do with this microphone, because when my bike's not running, oh god, I'm winding myself. When my bike's not running and I'm just walking with my helmet, I sound like I've fucking been jogging and that heavy breathing. Just because the bike's so fucking good, it's right next to my mouth and under my nose. So I'm going to have to, I don't have a Kentucky behind the cheek pad. I'll have to have a look for somewhere else for it go. I mean, while on bike it's great, but I sound like a fucking rapist. And a fat one at that. Come on, give me a clear road. Can get round one. I could have gone two then. Fucking hell, I hesitated and fucked it. But we got there. We got there in the end. Yeah, 1890 or something. Filled my bike up from half. The fuck's going on with the world? Fuck me. Soon you're only going to be able to go out in cars or bikes if you're part of the fucking world elite. No one couldn't be able to afford it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I wanna pluck your pigeon. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I wanna pluck it off. Don't know where these songs come from. Some will just pop in there. It's always about plucking pigeons or dick or something. And I'm not gay. Oh no. They just come to me all the time. I don't know whether I've got a mild form of Tourette's or something. That's what I'll put it down to. Could well do. 1896. Oh, that's depressed me, that has. 1896 for half a tank. I wonder if all people on bikes do this. When they see a black tarmac strip down the road, just stay in it. I can't help it. Really can't. Like a little challenge. A little challenge for me. I'm not, no, fuck off, I'm not going over that side. Don't do that side. The fucking bell end Audi drivers. Audi drivers are the new fucking knobs of the road. Well, I don't think it's even new. I think they've always been knobs. But if you've got an Audi, I'd just end it. Go out to your shed, if you've got one. I'd get probably, oh, what are they called? Like a garden fork. Turn it so it's facing up the fork and just pounce on it. Under the chin, I would recommend. Oh, it'd be beautiful. Let's do it. Do it or change your car. I mean, if there's any cyclists out there as well, feel free to join them. Feel free to join them. You have a couple of forks each, can't you, on one? It'd be beautiful. I wonder how many heads you could get on a fork. I think two's about your limit, really, isn't it? Two and a testicle, maybe. Mind you, no, yeah, you could only testicle on the end, couldn't you? So yeah, two heads, testicle. I wouldn't like to be the head near the testicle though. But then again, I don't need to be. Don't ride a bike, don't drive an Audi. Safe as houses. And not to be disappointed by our broth, she's got me some chilli and baked potatoes for dinner today, which is nice. Always a little treat. Always a little treat when I get here. Well, the starting young cyclists nowadays riding middle of the road. One day, boys, you can be as cool as me. Cool rider. A cool rider. Bit of grease too there for you. Go on, slow fuck. Oh I best turn you off, haven't I?
A few moments later.
Dad's watching MotoGP. Eating Maltesers, the lad loves them. Oh, I do love that road. It's got to be one of my favourites, that. Just a straight road you can see for miles. That's not one of my favourites though, is it? I think this MotoGP's got me all hyped up. Beautiful. So yeah, our big hog's working today, the lad, grafting his little bollocks off. You were in wrong lane then, weren't you, mate? Yeah, we know. We've got it on camera, pal. You little panda. Why would you indicate that, mate? Where are you going? Fucking imbecile. Not bad day if it stays dry. Right temperature. It's nice. Go on. Use psychic, use the force. Change. Change. No. No fucking Jedi, me. No Jedi. I'm gonna have you, panda boy. I'm gonna have you. This is no good. Oh, no wonder they've got 3 in the car, but you can't pull much faster than that. Whoa, a little bit there then. Fucking hell, nearly choked on my own spit. Beautiful. Oh, it's beautiful. Fucking choked on my own spit then, ain't I? fucking little bit of a fucking wheel raise made me choke. It stinks of eggs round here, the dirty bastards. Unless I've shit myself with my wheel raising, I don't know. I'll have to check when I get home. Probably a chili bean in my boxes. I think that's the end of my fun. Scopper's speed in here. I'm doing 35. I'm not catching up with him. Right, well, it's a bit of a boring video, wasn't it? Just thought I'd do something, just record something while I went up to see my mum and dad. Well, that's it, the end of the day, the end of the video. So, let's turn you off, you little fucking child molesters, before you know where I live. Ciao, mama.